Namaste, hello everyone, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing great. So today I have something very exciting yet helpful. It is a personality test. This test is also used in Ayurveda, and this was also used by the Chinese in the form of Chinese medicine. So this basically asks you around 15 to 30 questions depending upon the questionnaire, but I will be asking you 15 questions and you will have to answer those 15 questions in the form of A, B or C. So there are going to be 3 options and you will have to select an option from A, B or C. Okay, so for this I will want you to get a piece of paper and a pen. I will wait for you guys. You can go and get a piece of paper and a pen. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys have got a piece of paper and a pen. So now I will explain you what needs to be done. I will be asking you 15 set of questions, 15 questions rather, and you will have to write whichever option is really apt. And please be very honest with what you're doing, because only if you are honest with what you're doing, it will help you know what personality you fall into or what personality is dominant in your body. So let's get started. मैं अभी आपको questions पूछूंगी, आप सब आंसर्स लिख दीजिएगा. ओके, इसके पहले मैं आपको समझाना चाहूँगी कि हम ये बेसिकली 3 पर्सनालिटीज़ होती है, वाता, पित्ता और कफा. So Vata में it is basically, if I have to tell it in English, Vata basically is a combination of space and air. Pitta is a combination of the element of fire and water, and Kapha is a combination of water and earth. Okay, so this is a combination of Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So let's get started. I hope all of you are ready. So you get 5 seconds to answer each question, and let's start with the first question. Is body frame. They ask if you're thin, bony and skinny. If you're medium built, that is whether you can lose easily and gain easily. And the next one is large built, that is you can gain easily but losing is difficult. You can choose any one of it. Okay, next question, walking and talking. So here they are basically telling you if you are a person who walks fast and talks fast, if you're a person wherein your talk and walk is both moderate, or you're a person wherein you slowly walk and talk also slowly. Choose one of it. Next question. Also you can feel free to pause the video if it takes longer for you to think what it is. Okay. Question number 3 is the weather reaction. Which weather you like mostly, if you enjoy warm, wherein you're uncomfortable with cool climate, or whether you enjoy cool and you're uncomfortable with a warm climate, or you're comfortable with around most of the year but you generally like summer and spring. You can choose one of it. Next is appetite, or the amount of food that you take in, is called appetite. So the first one is irregular, that is you sometimes feel hungry and you sometimes don't feel hungry, or you're always hungry, or there's a decent appetite, as in you eat for taste and comfort, as in you just eat moderately. You can choose one. Okay, the next question is about sweating and perspiration. It's basically about the odor also. So the first one, as you can see, is little sweat. You sweat a little and you have minimal body odor. Second one is you sweat a lot and you have medium body odor. And the third one is you sweat moderate, but you sweat more when you basically work out. You sweat a lot comparatively. So you can choose one. Next is the skin texture. What kind of skin texture you have. First is either from normal to dry, as in you have rough, thin and cool skin. Next one is you have normal to oily, wherein it's basically soft, warm, red and sensitive kind, or you have a combination of both and it's soft, thick, cool and all of that. You can choose any one of it. The next one is hair. What kind of hair texture you have. First one is like rough, dry and wavy. Which one is apt for you? Normal, straight, thin and brown, or thick, curly and oily. You can choose which one is apt for you. Be honest. Okay, the next one is about the lips. What kind of lips texture you have. So the first one is either you have dry and thin lips, or you have medium sized lip wherein the upper lip is comparatively little darker than the lower lip, or you have large and smooth lips, you know, like attractive lips. Whichever is apt, you can choose that. The next one is eyes. So some people have small eyes like me. I have tiny little eyes. Yeah, or you have medium sized eye, or you have big and attractive eye, you know, like with thick eyelash and all of that. You can choose that one. The next one is about nails. What kind of nails you have. Nails, basically the first one is which cracks easily. The second one is pink and soft, like you have soft nails, or white and whitish, like it is generally white even without applying a white nail paint. That kind of a white. You can choose whichever is apt. The next is memory. What kind of memory you possess. So first is the STM, that's the short-term memory. In this, basically you can learn quickly but you forget easily. The next one is average speed, wherein one learns and forgets easily. And the long-term memory, wherein you are a slow learner. Please excuse them. Yes, you can choose whichever is apt for you. Okay, the next one is mind on action. This means what kind you come into, you know, for example, like the first one, are you an overthinker? Are you the one who, you know, thinks quickly and implements it very fast? Or you're a lazy one, you know, like the one who keeps procrastinating about things every time? You can choose whichever is the best. 14th is about the sleep quality. What kind of sleep quality you possess. The first one is light and disturbed. That is, you can wake up early in the morning. The second one is moderate and regular, wherein you can go back to sleep easily, like, and it's very easy for you to sleep. Like, you go to a washroom, you sleep. You can sleep on the railway station. You can sleep anywhere and everywhere. And the third one is deep and heavy, wherein waking up in the morning is very difficult for you. You can choose the best and the apt one for you. The next one is emotional nature. This is the last one. So for this, the first one is when you worry a lot, like often you're very nervous and anxious about things, or you're often irritable, angry, and, you know, impatient. No, things need to get done very fast. You know, are you that category, or are you a person who is very loving and caring and, you know, very patient, and, you know, he doesn't really care. It's like everything is very nice for him. Which one's very apt for you? You can choose that. So now we've completed the set of 15 questions. Please calculate your scores, how many A's, how many B's and how many C's, and then I will tell you what kind of personality you fall into. So I hope you guys have calculated your scores. Now I will be revealing what personality you guys fall into. Whichever is apt for you, you fall into that, okay? So if you have a lot of A's, yeah, in your calculation, if you have more than 6 or 7 A's, you fall into the category of Vata, as in the Vata personality is dominant in your body, okay? So these kind of people are generally, you know, like we just say, like, you know, there are the king of doshas, but, you know, nothing like that. Like, no dosha is superior to the other dosha, or any dosha is inferior to the other dosha. All doshas are, you know, very same. सारे doshas एक जैसे होते हैं. कोई किसी से बड़ा या नीचे नहीं होता है. मतलब सब अपना अपना personality होता है, right? So is जो dosha, जो, you know, who fall into this Vata dosha, these people are generally very active. They're very creative. They are open-minded. They're स्ट्रक्चर या उनका जो बॉडी टाइप होता है वो जनरली थोड़े लंबे होते हैं, पतला मुंह होता है उनका, उन लोग को एक गॉड गिफ्ट होता है वेरिन दे कैन एक्सप्रेस एंड कम्युनिकेट बहुत अच्छे से. मतलब पीपल रियली लाइक टू लिसन टू वॉट दीज पीपल से, लाइक दे डोंट रियली गेट बोर्ड, दे कैन like listen to them for like hours together. Their voice tone is really soothing. Yeah. So in olden days they used to even choose this, like depending on their these tridoshas, they could decide the career. So people who generally, now it is not really relevant, but I would want to share it with you, that people who fall into this Vata category are generally, or the best suited jobs for them or best suited careers for them, would be like sales, marketing, dancing, teaching, creative fields, designing and all of that. Generally such kind of careers suit these people. So I think this is all for the Vata people. So that is it. So now people who have got more number of B's in their answers, these people are generally the Pitta. They are a combination of the element of fire and water. So these people are generally very they have a kind of charisma which really it's really attractive. Like once you see them you feel very attractive. These people come under the Pitta. They're very joyful, they have a sharp intellect, they have a tremendous courage, and they have the drive to do things is very high in them. But again on the other side, the negatives of them would be anger. They're very egoistic. They have that leadership quality in them. Like they wouldn't want anyone else to rule. They should be like the ruling one over all of them. Yeah. So these people come under the Pitta ones. They basically get attracted towards love and beauty. They have a fiery nature. They basically keep everyone entertained. Yeah, so this is about Pitta, and the careers that suit them generally are in the field of medical and finance, politics, advocacy, leadership, management, and they make great leaders. Yeah, so these people fall under the Pitta dosha. Yeah. Narendra Modi has our PM Narendra Modi ji. He has a Pitta pacifying diet for balancing his Pitta, and also very importantly his dominant dosha is Pitta, and that is why we can see the leadership skills he has. So this was just an example. I mean, just to tell you that these things actually work. This is not just what we are making up, or this is not something which is untold. Yeah. So this is about the Pitta, and the number of people who have got more number of C's, that is the Kapha. Yeah, they are a combination of water and earth, the element of earth and water. These people are generally, they govern love, patience. They forgive. They're really attached. They're really gullible. They fall into the trap easily. They're very gullible. Like they would listen to anyone and everyone. But also on the other side, they're very greedy. Like these people only think about themselves. Not selfish, but you can tell they're greedy. Yeah. So these people fall into Kapha, and the career options in the jobs they basically best suit into are administration, public relation, nursing, and counseling. All such a service kind of jobs basically suit them. And this was all Vata, Pitta and Kapha. And there are ways wherein if you have an imbalanced Vata or imbalanced Pitta or an imbalanced Kapha, it can be reduced or it can be pacified back with the pacifying diet. If you want that, you can comment down in the comment section. So I had taken a test on this, and I come into the Kapha category wherein I have a lot of fire in me, and I see those characteristic traits, and the career, as in they told me that it's medical, and I am into this field of medical and fitness. So I think I have tried it on my family and it has really worked. Please try it on yourself and your family, and let me know in the comment section what dosha you fall into. And that is it for now. So until then, stay fit, stay healthy, stay happy, keep smiling and smiling even more, and stay safe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.